Watching your cat struggle through a heat wave is heart-wrenching. They find the smallest patch of bare floor and just collapse. You want to fix it instantly. This is exactly when those targeted ads find you. The Doleva Cooling Mat appears on your screen like a miracle. It looks sleek and promising. The website makes some very bold claims right out of the gate. They talk about a massive discount. They say the price dropped from £50 down to about 25. Then they hit you with the classic buy one get one free offer. It feels like a bargain you cannot pass up. But we have to slow down. We have to look at the reality of these viral pet products. The concept of a cooling mat is not new or revolutionary. These items usually rely on a simple pressure-activated gel. When your pet sits down, the gel absorbs their body heat. It disperses that heat into the air. It works without electricity. It works without being tossed in the freezer. That technology is legitimate and widely used by many pet brands. The concern here is not the science. The concern is the presentation. This company claims to have served over 100,000 cat parents. They boast a nearly perfect rating that seems almost too good to be true. When you try to find independent proof of those numbers, things get very murky. You want to see those reviews on a third-party site where they cannot be edited. Instead, you often just find the same polished marketing images and scripted testimonials. This is where you have to be a savvy shopper. You need to dig into the fine print of the company policies. Look at the shipping times and the return terms very carefully. Often these brands are just middlemen for overseas factories. Your mat might take weeks to arrive in the mail. By the time it gets to your door, the heat wave might already be over. Also, think about the health side of things for a moment. A cooling mat is a luxury comfort item. It is not a medical device. If your cat is lethargic or panting heavily, a piece of blue plastic will not save them. You need to contact a vet immediately in those cases. People get caught up in the hype of a limited time sale. They see the ticking clock and the warnings about low stock. These are classic pressure tactics used to stop you from thinking clearly. They want you to click buy before you can do your research. If you really want a cooling mat, do a quick search on other retail sites first. See if the same design is sold by a brand with a long history. See if you can get it with a solid money-back guarantee. This specific product might work just fine for some people. There is not enough evidence to call it an outright scam yet. However, the lack of transparency is a huge hurdle for trust. It is hard to rely on a company that uses unverified numbers to lure you in. Always check if you have to pay for return shipping to another country. That cost often makes a refund impossible to get. Stay smart and protect your wallet while you look out for your pets. Your cat will thank you for being thorough and keeping them safe in the shade with plenty of water. Keep your eyes open for these marketing traps. Your peace of mind is worth more than a flashy discount.